Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the exciting world of the new GPT-4o desktop app. If you're looking to supercharge your productivity and communication, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 things you can do with this innovative app that will revolutionize the way you work and interact online. From seamless messaging to powerful collaboration tools, the GPT-4o desktop app is packed with features designed to make your digital experience smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a professional looking to streamline your workflow or simply someone who loves staying connected with friends and family, this app has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 5 things that set the GPT-4o desktop app apart from the rest. Discover how this app can help you communicate more effectively, organize your tasks effortlessly, and enhance your overall digital experience. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of convenience and functionality with the GPT-4o desktop app. So if you're ready to take your online interactions to the next level, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities that the GPT-4o desktop app has to offer. Let's dive in and discover how this app can transform the way you work, connect, and collaborate. Get ready to be amazed by the top 5 things you can do with the new GPT-4o desktop app. Number 5. Get accurate and reliable research assistance. When it comes to conducting thorough research, having access to accurate and reliable assistance is crucial. The GPT-4o desktop app offers a unique feature that provides users with instant access to a vast database of information, ensuring that your research is always backed by credible sources. This feature allows you to quickly find relevant data, statistics, and facts to support your work, saving you valuable time and effort. While research assistance may seem like a basic function, the GPT-4o desktop app takes it a step further by offering real-time suggestions and recommendations based on your search queries. This proactive approach helps you discover new insights and perspectives that you may not have considered, enhancing the quality and depth of your research. Compared to higher-ranked features, such as seamless messaging and collaboration tools, research assistance may not be as flashy or immediately impactful. However, its importance cannot be understated, especially for individuals who rely on accurate information to make informed decisions and produce high-quality work. By prioritizing accuracy and reliability, the GPT-4o desktop app ensures that users have the support they need to excel in their research endeavors. In conclusion, while research assistance may hold the 5th position on our list, its significance in facilitating effective and credible research cannot be overlooked. With the GPT-4o desktop app's robust research assistance feature, users can trust that they are equipped with the tools necessary to delve deep into their topics and produce well-informed and compelling work. Number 4. Engage in realistic and informative conversations. The GPT-4o desktop app offers users the opportunity to engage in realistic and informative conversations like never before. Through its advanced AI technology, the app provides users with intelligent responses and insights that mimic human-like interactions. This feature allows for engaging and meaningful conversations that feel authentic and enriching. While the ability to engage in conversations is a fundamental aspect of any communication app, the GPT-4o desktop app stands out by offering a level of realism and depth that sets it apart from traditional messaging platforms. Users can discuss a wide range of topics with the app, receiving informative and thought-provoking responses that spark genuine dialogue and exchange of ideas. In comparison to higher-ranked features, such as research assistance and collaboration tools, engaging in conversations may seem more leisurely or casual. However, the ability to have realistic and informative discussions plays a crucial role in fostering connections, sharing knowledge, and expanding one's perspective. The GPT-4o desktop app's emphasis on facilitating meaningful conversations adds a layer of depth and authenticity to the user experience. In summary, while engaging in conversations holds the 4th spot on our list, its impact on communication and interaction within the app should not be underestimated. With the GPT-4o desktop app's innovative approach to realistic and informative conversations, users can enjoy engaging dialogues that stimulate their minds and enhance their overall experience. Number 3. Enhance productivity with personalized to-do lists. The GPT-4o desktop app empowers users to enhance their productivity through personalized to-do lists. This feature allows individuals to create customized task lists tailored to their specific needs and preferences, helping them stay organized and focused on their priorities. With the ability to set deadlines, prioritize tasks, and receive reminders, users can effectively manage their workload and boost their efficiency. Personalized to-do lists offer a level of flexibility and customization that sets them apart from generic task management tools. Users can categorize tasks, add detailed descriptions, and even collaborate with others on shared lists, fostering a sense of teamwork and accountability. By tailoring their to-do lists to suit their unique workflow, users can optimize their productivity and achieve their goals more effectively. In comparison to higher-ranked features like engaging in conversations and research assistance, personalized to-do lists play a more direct role in enhancing individual productivity and time management. While conversations and research are essential aspects of the app's functionality, the ability to create personalized to-do lists serves as a practical tool for users to stay on track and accomplish their tasks efficiently. In conclusion, personalized to-do lists secure the third spot on our list for their ability to empower users to take control of their schedules and maximize their productivity. With the GPT-4o desktop app's intuitive and customizable task management feature, users can streamline their workflow, prioritize their responsibilities, and ultimately work towards achieving their objectives with greater efficiency. Number 2, receive instant coding help and solutions. The GPT-4o desktop app offers users the invaluable ability to receive instant coding help and solutions, making it a game changer for developers and coding enthusiasts alike. With this feature, users can quickly troubleshoot coding issues, seek guidance on complex programming concepts, and access ready-made solutions to expedite their development projects. The app's AI-powered coding assistance provides real-time support, allowing users to overcome challenges and enhance their coding skills with ease. What sets the instant coding help feature apart is its responsiveness and accuracy. Users can pose coding queries and receive detailed explanations, code snippets, and step-by-step solutions in a matter of seconds. This rapid access to coding assistance streamlines the development process, minimizes downtime, and empowers users to tackle coding tasks with confidence and efficiency. In comparison to personalized to-do lists, which focus on task management and productivity, the Instant Coding Help feature caters specifically to the needs of developers and individuals working on coding projects. While to-do lists are essential for organizing tasks, receiving instant coding help and solutions addresses the technical challenges that developers often encounter, providing targeted support for coding-related queries and issues. In summary, the Instant Coding Help and Solutions feature secures the second position on our list for its ability to revolutionize the coding experience for users of the GPT-4o desktop app. By offering swift and accurate coding assistance, the app empowers developers to overcome obstacles, improve their coding proficiency, and accelerate their project timelines, ultimately enhancing their overall coding experience. Number 1. Effortlessly generate creative writing prompts. At the top of our list is the remarkable feature of effortlessly generating creative writing prompts with the GPT-4o desktop app. This innovative capability allows users to access a wealth of inspiring and thought-provoking writing prompts at their fingertips, sparking creativity and fueling their writing endeavors. Whether you're a writer seeking inspiration or an aspiring author looking to kickstart your next project, this feature is a game changer. What sets the creative writing prompt generation feature apart is its ability to cater to a wide range of genres, styles, and themes. Users can generate prompts for fiction, nonfiction, poetry, screenwriting, and more, ensuring that there is something for every writer's creative appetite. The prompts are diverse, engaging, and designed to stimulate imagination, making the writing process both enjoyable and productive. In comparison to receiving instant coding help and solutions, which targets a specific audience of developers, the creative writing prompt generation feature appeals to a broader demographic of writers, creatives, and storytellers. While coding assistance is crucial for technical projects, the ability to effortlessly generate creative writing prompts opens up a world of possibilities for individuals looking to explore their literary talents and craft compelling narratives. In conclusion, the effortless generation of creative writing prompts claims the top spot on our list for its ability to inspire, motivate, and ignite the creative spark within users of the GPT-4o desktop app. By providing a treasure trove of writing ideas and prompts, the app empowers writers to unleash their creativity, overcome writer's block, and embark on exciting literary journeys with ease. Conclusion: In this video, we've explored the top 5 things you can do with the new GPT-4o desktop app, each offering unique benefits and enhancing your digital experience in different ways. From receiving instant coding help to effortlessly generating creative writing prompts, the app is a powerhouse of features designed to elevate your productivity, creativity, and communication. At number 5, we highlighted the importance of accurate and reliable research assistance, followed by engaging in realistic and informative conversations at number 4. The third spot was claimed by the personalized to-do lists feature, while the second position was secured by the instant coding help and solutions capability. Finally, the top spot was awarded to the effortless generation of creative writing prompts, igniting the spark of creativity within users. We encourage you to delve deeper into each of these features and discover how they can transform the way you work, communicate, and create. Whether you're a professional seeking coding support, a writer in need of inspiration, or simply someone looking to stay organized and productive, the GPT-4o desktop app has something for everyone. Explore the endless possibilities that this innovative app has to offer and unlock new levels of efficiency, creativity, and collaboration. Embrace the power of AI-driven tools to enhance your digital experience and achieve your goals with confidence. Remember, with the GPT-4o desktop app, the potential for growth and success is limitless. So why wait? Dive into a world of possibilities and let your creativity soar. Take the first step towards a more productive and fulfilling digital journey today.